Hi there! In this short tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a folder on Telegram desktop. So, for the first time, you need to go Menu, Settings, Folders, Create New Folder, and here you can add the chats manually or you can add the whole groups in this folder. And here, give folder name. At the moment, I don't have any groups. Now, I create another folder and add special chats. So, I join any group. Now, the group is here is the group folder. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!